And you know, again, like from my experience, like I have been also running a few age domains. What I have saw in a recent trend, any age domain with a function in the past is
Yes.
working amazing. You know, as you know, Corey again mentions that site with a function works, that site with function works. So yeah, I've been like seeing, like me personally have ranked a dental website into a iGaming blog,
Yeah.
and is working perfectly.
Yeah, the way you want to do about it, it's so tricky because the historical backlink, like the dental could be like Doctor blah blah blah, or whatever
Yeah,
dental studio. But you have to kind of like work it so that the old brand still works with the new brand.
yeah.
Like,
So what I'm doing is I just imported the old website,
yep,
replaced the homepage, and the old website is still there.
exactly.
So I guess this also works very well.
Yeah, because like essentially, like the age domain's best asset is the historical backlinks and the
Yeah.
age.
Yeah.
So you need to keep that branding. If you just change it to say casino, casino, casino,
Yeah.
it's not going to work. You have to be Doctor whoever
Yeah.
casino, Doctor
Yeah.
whoever casino.
Yeah.
You work it in. And this works especially well in English because not English, sorry. Because in English, Google has pretty good spam. I mean, it's like I always say Google's. It's, in the end of the day, Google's a stupid robot. But
Yeah.
like Google has very good mechanisms. But in non-English languages, the mechanisms that it has to automatically detect the stuff is really poor. So like people do this in Japan, people do this in Turkey all the time. People do this
Indonesia.
in Indonesia all the time. They acquire a dead asset. Indonesian like
Lottery slots and stuff.
formerly a real business, repurpose it, add some slots, add pragmatic play, whatever it is that's a
Yeah.
really, really high search volume in the Indonesian market. And they do this all the time until eventually like, someone in the government catches on and ban the website.
Yeah. Okay.